We found a video we made about 3 years ago and never posted, so we're gonna post it. Don't worry, this was made before COVID. Let's get on to the video.
Hey folks, this is your host Taylor, and we are here on this eve of December 1st to celebrate a merry 25 days till Christmas. Special announcement, it has snowed a 1/6 of an inch here, and we actually didn't get too excited this time. Anyway, to celebrate the wondrous occasion, we are making cake pops, or as our recipe, snow pop. The first thing you will need is white cake mix. Our cake mix calls for cold water, served on a frying pan. Yes. Oil, also served on a frying pan. And egg. Not served on a frying pan, just on a towel this time. And stirring utensils. You know that makes shelves go in.
No, it doesn't.
Now, mix all the wet ingredients together.
Why do we have to do that?
Now, pour the dry ingredients into the bowl. And that's only one ingredient, so we're good. And now you mix the dry ingredient in with the wet ingredient.
This is actually
What are you doing, Taylor? And now we're gonna show you what it looks like. After she's not yet done mixing it. And
You did, that's enough.
10 minutes later. Okay, we're done. Now we're gonna show you what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, very, very beautiful. I lay on table. Now we're gonna grease the pan.
After this, we crush the candy cane.
Why do you turn it on? You just mix it around with that. Oh. That's easy. And we also flour the pan. Now we already did that in cake. Now we are pouring the mix into the pan.
As you can clearly see.
As you can honey. You're not doing that good. Why did you say that? Now we will put it on the oven to bake for 30 minutes.
More.
While we are waiting for it to bake and cool, we are going to make Christmas cards.
Bye.
Okay, now we're going to take the cake, crumble it up in this bowl, and we're supposed to do it over the bowl.
Who cares?
You guys both said that at the same time. But now we need to get the frosting. Here it is. I think we're going to need more than one.
I'll scrape it out with my hands.
Oh. No.
My hands are clean.
No, just use a spoon to get it.
Okay, give me a spoon.
No, spatula. Stop. We need a... Do you have more than one?
Tastes good. We might not have enough.
I want to do some of it. You will.
Guys, you shouldn't have used your hand.
You're supposed to with cake pops.
Okay.
Well, we're not very hot.
Okay, girls, we're gonna, is it on?
Yeah. But you can still talk.
Yeah, we edit a lot.
Why'd you put it on my hand?
Because you're gonna get to your
What is it? You can still talk.
Dad, you can't. It cuts off your voice.
Yeah, we edit it. And this is all gonna be on time lapse.
And then we're gonna take it and roll it into little balls. Oh no, there's hairs in it.
Then take it out. We're making This is not right. Is it? We need it moister.
Moisture, what does that mean? More cake mix?
No, Eden.
That's good enough, guys.
Eden just took it and shoved it in her mouth.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can-
delicious.
But you can't roll balls with it.
You can. Nope, you can't. It's too wet.
No, it's not too wet, it's too dry. It doesn't stick together like a cake pop. A cake pop, it needs to be really moist. We don't have enough frosting. We added the frosting, rolled them, and put the popsicle sticks in them, and now it's time to put them in the refrigerator. Now it's time to prepare the decorations. We're gonna crush candy canes. Now we are going to melt the chocolates. Now we are going to decorate the cake pops. We are going to take these, we are going to take the sticks out, Eden. We're going to dip the stick in. We're going to put the stick back in, wait for that to dry. And then we're going to stick it in the white chocolate and put it in here. This is our finished product.
It's so hard to grab!
Oh, they love it.
Oh, you got shells in it, see? I got one shell.
Take it out.
This
Why
has
are
to
you
be
so
a blooper.
concerned
This
about-
has to be a blooper.
No, it doesn't.
Just
I
maybe
don't
watch-
like bloopers very much. If we do too many of them, it's like the
Eden,
whole
stop
video is
talking.
on.
Eden, I'm putting this on time lapse, so you're just gonna be going like. Don't look mad either, because we already did it, so we can't rewind it this time.
Yeah. Or as we call them,
No
pops.
We have to say it all at the same time.
Okay. Oh, okay, we're gonna start the or as we call them.
Cut!
You done?
Thank you.
Anyway, to celebrate the wondrous occasion, we are making cake pops, or as we call them, snow pop. No, you have to say it. Ow! I got this thing.
That definitely has to go in the blooper.
Anyway, to celebrate the wondrous occasion, we are making cake. You will also need a bowl.
Wait, rewind that.
Because now we have to.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
I didn't know. I forgot.
Say it. Say what you do now.
It's like a mountain in the middle. And now we're. Bing, 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 boing, bing, 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 boing, bing, 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 boing, bing, 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 boing, 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 boing. No, let's do the wave because this is on time lapse. So.
Wait, is that doing it right? You're gonna...
Nobody gets to clip the wave in Oregon.
That.
You mean in California?
Dubbing on my haters, I'll be putting on my.
Ew, it smells like sweat.
Take that one off of time lapse in iMovie.
It's on time lapse. Don't worry. Nobody's gonna notice that you're fixing your hat.
Christmas cards.
No, we have to. Time.
You rub it around with that thing.
It was so meant for this.
Oh.
Mom.
I get
The
to
conversations we have.
I messed up. Look at that.
Has anybody ever wondered why the sky is blue?
Because space is dark blue.
I just want to try it.
I actually want to try it.
Just a little bit. Just